Alright, what's up? Welcome back to another Facebook dropshipping tutorial video. So recently I made a video on how to list multiple products on Facebook personal marketplace without doing much work. So today I'm going to talk about how to do it on Facebook shops. This one takes a little bit more work, but it's way easy to put up like a buttload of listings in like a small amount of time. So to start off, you're gonna do the same way like how you do on personal marketplaces. You're gonna have a list of products that you want to add in to the bulk lister. So I'm gonna go to Amazon and find some random products to put in. Alright, so here's just an example of how to put products into your bulk lister. I'm not gonna put them in because I already have products that are in my bulk lister that I'm going to list. So So you have your random products that you want to list. You're gonna click save the bulk list. You'll click it twice, and then you go into the next one and click it twice. So let's pretend that I did that, and I have these products onto my bulk lister. Now, what you want to do is head over to the ZDrop website, and on the side here, go to um, the bulk list menu, and it's gonna pop up all the products in your bulk list. So this is all the products that I already had in. Here this is where you're gonna edit, taking out like titles of the brand name, and taking out the brand name out of the titles, and then taking out of customer service stuff that's in the description that usually Amazon has. So I already did that for all these products. So the maximum that I usually do is about 100 products into the bulk lister. If you go over 100, sometimes that when you scroll down this menu, it won't load the rest of the products. So then you'll end up not even putting in more than 100 products into the spreadsheet. So next, you have all your products. What you want to do now is make sure that all of your products are loaded. Click select all and export CSV Facebook shop. And it's going to download it right here at the bottom. Alright, and then whenever I do this, I make sure I edit this in Microsoft Spreadsheets. You don't really need Microsoft Spreadsheets to do this, but if you don't have Microsoft Spreadsheets, you won't be able to edit the quantity counts and remove the categories that what I'm about to do. But I'll show you a different way on how to do that if you don't have Spreadsheet. But if you do have Spreadsheets, make sure you open it up in Spreadsheets. Alright, so now I have the spreadsheet loaded. Usually what I do in the spreadsheets whenever I list is I only edit the quantity to sell. I usually just put 20. This little square here, I just drag it all the way down. So for this bulk list, I have 90 products in here. For the categories, so I don't know why ZDrop does this, but they automatically put the products that you have like bulk listed. Sometimes they'll put them in the wrong category. I know for sure that every single product in this bulk list is in the automotive category, and as you can see right here, they have this very first product in the animals and pets and supplies. So what I usually do is I just delete all of it. Alright, now that you got that deleted, you're gonna wanna save it as a new file, and then you can save it to your desktop or wherever you store your bulk listing files that you're about to do. So I usually have a folder that has all my bulk listing my bulk listing products, because if I ever decide to open up another shop, I have all these products that I can just upload into the bulk list and relist them. So I'm gonna do that. So now that that's saved, now we're gonna head over to Facebook Shops, the menu. Okay, now we're on Facebook Shops. So what you want to do now is head over to category or catalog. Gotta get all my words mixed up. Go to catalog, click items, and then at the top corner here where it says add items, you can click add multiple items. And then for this one, you would click data feed where it says use a spreadsheet or file to add and update your items automatically. Click that, click next. Are you ready to upload your spreadsheet or file? You click yes, that, choose your file, and then find wherever you stored all those products. So now it's done uploading. You click next, and then save, feed, and upload. And now sometimes this takes a while. It takes a while if you have a lot of products. If you have less products, it doesn't really take that long. But now it's just uploading. So I'll get back to you when this is done. Alright, so now it's done. So I had 90. I don't know why it says 89, but it doesn't really matter much. It's just only one product. Usually sometimes you'll get some errors in here because when you list products from Amazon, sometimes pictures are too small. You'll get an error for that, or you'll get like a policy violation error if you sell knives or something. But for this one, I didn't get any errors. And also, if you list a lot in the bulk lister, sometimes your catalog won't update right away. So that's not a problem because it takes time for the files to go through and stuff. So now let's talk about if you didn't have Spreadsheet to edit your products. So what you're gonna have to do now is you're gonna have to click a product and manually edit it. So right here you can see details. You'll have to click edit item and then find, wait, hold up. I don't know why I clicked price. You'll have to find the not the feedback, the category right here. So you would edit that, and then I have no idea where quantity is at. Yeah, so here's where category is. You just click next, and quantity is the next page. So then you would edit the quantity right there. And that's about it. That's how you would do it manually if you don't have Microsoft Spreadsheet. And also sometimes whenever I get a product that has an issue or that has like errors, or I listed a product that's not against their violations or like it's against policy violations, they usually pop up right here. You can click these boxes that will show like products that are messed up. Like right now, these are all messed up. It's not shown in shops or marketplace. Any products that I have that have an issue, I usually just delete it and take it out of my store and just continue listing. If it's gonna have an error and not showing up in shops, then I usually just delete it. So I'm gonna click all of these and delete them because I don't want to deal with the problems. So basically, that bulk list had 80 products instead of 89 because I deleted 9 products. And that is basically how you bulk list for Facebook shops. So that's it for this video. If you have gotten any value from it, be sure to leave a like down on the video. And if it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button. I make videos about dropshipping and e-commerce and selling online. And if that's stuff that you're interested in, you know what to do. Click that red button. That's it for this video. Good luck with your listing, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.